Hey y'all. So I got a lot of stuff going on here. Now look, these bases are a little bit expensive. So I thought, well, you know what? Someone can hang either one of these pumpkins up from Halloween all the way through fall. So what if we made them an interchangeable bow where they only got one base, but they got a fall bow and a Halloween bow that they could just swap out real easy. So we're going to see how it works out. Now I kind of want to use this one with the wooden pieces just because they're fun. Y'all, it has wooden leaves in it. But let's just fluff it out and see what we're working with first. Let's fluff out one of these and see what it looks like. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I want to steal the tip of this one and the tip of this one. Becky, if Halloween is still selling, keep making it, friend. All right. Y'all, then we can layer these two cut pieces. Let's trim these down. I don't think we're gonna need that one. All right, so I'm gonna spread everything off of that main stem here, right? So I can see right down the middle, that main stem. And then I'm gonna attach this one right into it to get a nice full stem. All right. There we go. We just need to put it all together here. All right, now that they're all one nice piece, let's make sure they're all fluffed up really cute. Y'all, now the same thing, we just need a nice fall bow to go right here in the middle. I'm gonna put this light color towards the back to help break up the difference between the bow and the greenery. So we're gonna start again with a little 12-inch tail, give it a good twist. Go again with our 6.5-inch loop. All right. All right, we're gonna take our long pipe cleaner. We're gonna slide our bow off. Get this nice and pinched and twist. All right, we've got our nice little bow. We're gonna get our nice little mini swag that we made. Add it right over that pipe cleaner again. Tie it off. All right, let's trim this. So now that we have our two little mini swags, we can use them on our pumpkins. So if you guys weren't here in the very beginning, what I said was these pumpkins are some of my favorite quick and easy projects, but the price is a little high. So if you wanted to really sell this to a customer, you could make I wouldn't make the pumpkin. I would buy one pumpkin, and either one of these pumpkins would be good to go through fall and Halloween, right? So we can sell them one pumpkin with two different bows. And make it sound like a much better deal, right? So I could take some photos with this one. Y'all, all they have to do is tie that pipe cleaner around the stem. So in September, they could take out their pumpkin, they could put the little fall spray on it. They could hang it on their door. For October, they could take this one off, put on the Halloween bow, then for November, they could take off the Halloween bow and put their fall bow back on. Right? So now I could sell this little bundle for $120 and tell them they could use this for 3 months.